Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a little bit different from my regular videos. I usually post videos on beauty and fashion, but today's video is about Assam floods. The topic of Assam floods is a very serious concern at present. Now we have been witnessing floods since many years, but the thing is that earlier it was less frequent, like it was once in 10 years or once in 4 to 5 years. But since last few years we have been witnessing flood every year. It has become a yearly occurrence. Lakhs and lakhs of people get affected every year here, and there is a huge loss of life and property due to flood. The floods not only affect the humans, but it also affects the wildlife and the plantations. It brings devastation to the crops, to the homes of people, and also many people gets displaced. Again, there is bank erosion due to floods, and every year new areas are being affected by erosion, which ultimately impacts the rural economy of the state negatively. Also, the roads and the bridges gets damaged due to the rising flood waters. Even this year, that is in 2020, the flood has affected Assam terribly and numerous people have been affected. Mainly the lower Assam and the middle Assam has been affected, including districts like Morigaon, Borpeta, Dhuburi, Majuli, Gwalpara, etc. There are around 28 districts in total. The floods have affected the very famous Kaziranga National Park and also Povitara Wildlife Sanctuary, which is the home for one-horned rhino, hog deers, elephants and many other wild animals. So I have already mentioned all the effects of the Assam flood. So the next question is, what can we as common people do about this situation? The first point is spreading awareness. Assam floods fail to get the much needed attention from the national media every year. This year it has got some coverage, but still it is very less than what it actually should get. So in this crucial point of time, we need to spread more awareness about it. So what we can do is that we can use social media tools for spreading awareness. For example, you can tweet about this crisis, you can write blogs on it. If you are a YouTuber like me, you can make videos on it. You can use trending hashtags, and also you can use your Facebook and Instagram accounts to spread awareness. So spreading awareness and reaching out to more people is really very important, and that is something which is in our hands and we really need to do it. The second point is contribution. The Assam government has already set up many relief camps which is providing shelter to a large number of people, but the number of affected people is really huge, and as we are already facing another crisis of COVID-19, the situation has become really critical. So the least we can do in this time is that we can come forward and do our part. It is our responsibility as well. India has a huge population, and in fact the population of Assam is more than 30 million. A small amount of contribution from each one of us would really make a big amount in total. It doesn't matter how much you are contributing, even a small amount from your side would be of really great help in this scenario, and you can contribute according to your financial capability. So do come forward for help in this time, and I have provided all the bank details of the Assam government in my description box, and also I'll mention it in the screen so that you can go and donate there. Also, there are a lot of NGOs and other organizations who are raising funds for this crisis, and if you find a reliable one, you can contribute there as well. You can make financial contribution, or you can contribute clothes or food or other essentials as well. So let us all come forward and fight this crisis together. So that is it for today's video. If you found it informative, then please do share it with your friends and also with people who are unaware of this scenario and of this calamity that we are facing every year. Let us all help make this issue a national concern, and see you soon in my next video. Until then, stay home, stay safe and take care. Bye bye.